That wraps up the introduction to machine learning classification using morphometric features. This setup can be applied to any type of feature, such as FAL from resting state or FA from diffusion weighted imaging. All you have to do is make sure the setup is the same as the CSV file on my GitHub. If you want to combine modalities, it's very simple. For example, structural MRI and FALF, all you have to do is just paste them into the same CSV and boom, you're doing multimodal machine learning classification. It's really that easy. Well, that's it for this tutorial series. We've covered setting up the data, filtering unwanted variables, standard pre-processing, feature selection, cross-validation, support vector machines, confusion matrices, and how to create a stack. Hopefully, this is your start into your machine learning journey. It's really an exciting one. There's a lot more sophisticated techniques that can be used, and this tutorial covers a lot of the basics. You'll need to do those. Until next time.